Hello, thank you for joining this MBL webinar. My name is Leah Alprin-Waterman and I'm a knowledge lawyer at Mishcon de Reya. In today's session, I'm going to be looking at jurisdiction clauses in commercial contracts in England and Wales. I'll start off by examining the principles that underpin jurisdiction clauses. I'll then consider the differences between exclusive, non-exclusive and asymmetric jurisdiction clauses and the circumstances in which you might want to use them. Then we'll take a look at the impact of the UK's withdrawal from the EU and how jurisdiction clauses are now treated post-Brexit. We'll follow that up with a review of some recent case law looking at both the interpretation of jurisdiction clauses and their enforcement. Finally, I'll set out some practical tips and best practice for drafting, with the aim of ensuring that your jurisdiction clauses achieve their purpose. By the end of this session, you'll have a deeper understanding of what jurisdiction clauses are, the different types of jurisdiction clause that are available, and what you need to consider when entering into a jurisdiction clause. Let's start by looking at what a jurisdiction clause is. Essentially, a jurisdiction clause is a contractual provision under which the parties agree which country's courts will be able to decide disputes that arise between them. They're also known as forum selection clauses or choice of court agreements, and English courts, as well as the courts of other countries, will usually give effect to them. For contracting parties, specifying where disputes are to be determined is a valuable right. Most importantly, a jurisdiction clause provides certainty and predictability, enabling the parties to choose a convenient location for the dispute to be heard. That may be because it's a jurisdiction with which the party is familiar, such as their home court. It may be because the parties speak the language used by the court. Or perhaps it's because they wish to benefit from the characteristics of a particular legal system. Alternatively, the parties may choose a jurisdiction because it's neutral and has nothing to do with either party.